Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are currently doing a mini series on the Turkey Day, and this week for episode 5 we are doing biscuits. So let's cook this.
Alright, it's gonna be fun when it starts with 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon and a half of salt. Make sure you mix the dry stuff very well all together. Put 2 sticks of unsalted frozen butter and make sure you don't push your finger into the machine. Mix the frozen butter into the dry stuff, but don't overdo it. We don't want to create heat and melt the butter. Add to the mix 1 cup and a quarter of very cold buttermilk and stop the mixer as soon as everything is cohesive. Flour the surface and put that dough on it. Here we want to form a disc. You don't want to overwork the dough to excite the gluten for no reason. Take your disc and cut it in quarters. Stack it all on top of each other and press and repeat 4 to 5 times. Here we are creating layers of butter and we will result into a nice and fluffy texture. Let that guy rest for at least 30 minutes in the fridge before working it. Flour everything, the surface, the dough, the rolling pin, the cat, the dog, the floor, the ceiling. Roll that dough until you have a thickness of half an inch. When you are happy with your dough, take a baking pan, put some oil on it. It will help your parchment paper to hold tight. Take a fancy biscuit cutter or whatever you have in your hand to make a nice biscuit shape. And of course, don't throw the scrap into the garbage. You can make more biscuit with it. And with half a cup of melted butter, paint your biscuit like if you are Michelangelo. Put some finishing salt on top of the biscuit and cook it at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes.
Alright you guys, so we did some amazing, delicious, but not healthy biscuit. So I hope you guys will try this at home. If you like this episode, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.